Today, I'm here to guide you on how to sell fractional shares on Wealthsimple. Selling fractional shares is as important as buying them, so let's get right into it. First, log into your Wealthsimple Trade app or website. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up and get access to this amazing feature. Next, navigate to your portfolio and select the fractional share you want to sell. Whether it's Amazon, Shopify, or any other stock in your account, find the one you wish to sell. Then, enter the quantity of shares you want to sell. It can be in fractions like 0.5, 1.2, or any precise amount you own. After that, Wealthsimple Trade will provide you with the estimated total value of your sale based on the current market conditions. Remember, orders for fractional shares are traded twice a day, and you will get the execution price at that specific time. And there you have it. Selling fractional shares on Wealthsimple is simple and efficient, allowing you to manage your investments with ease.